Good morning, dear students, all of you. Today, 23 March of 20, and we discussed subject on SIMS Computer Integrated Manufacturing System. Subject code is ATME01. Today we will discuss now Computer Aided Production Management System. Now you can say CAPM method, and you can also CAPM system, because this is a topic point of view industry. CAPM method is software basis production management program system. It can manage all activity related industrial production within the enterprises. So we understood about that. What is the enterprises system? Enterprises system is small productions by anywhere and any places in industries and sell by individually product. So you can say CPM method is CPM software is any production management program that manages all activity related to industries production within the entire enterprises, according to author. And second one, we can discuss on what is functions of CAPM method. So we can say inventory and a purchasing management. So what is inventory and purchasing management? Why role importance in CAPM system? Inventory and purchase management, because that is, we can say, essentially method. Inventory is whose industry and whose company's requirement essential functions. And purchasing management we all about discuss in CPM management system. We are production systems, we product sell in market. Now how to purchase and how to sell, and that point of view, that is particular company. So we can say inventory and purchase management system. Particular CAPM method is decided. Second one, order management. Suppose that we are production any type of, but final packing and final inspection, so we already product is manufactured, but now how to sell in market. So we can order management point decide. Order management, we can sell we can product sell easily in market and by order management. Third one, product management. You see a product management is also refer, we are in industry production any type of product, so we want to sell in market, product management by product management. And fourth one, management of parts and component. If we are many type of parts, many type of equipments in industry, but how to control, how to regulate this type of parts and components. So we point decided in the CPM method the management of parts and component. And fifth one, management of bills of material and product lines. How to understand in CPM method the management of bills of material and product lines. Suppose that we sell in market our product by industry, in market we required management of bills materials, because if you are product sell in market, so how to control, how to manage bill in this type of material. and product lines. If you suppose that you are production in industry, so how to sell in market, how to purchase, so we manage this data of management in system, management of bills by material and product lines. So that is essential requirement of CPM method. And for sixth one, resource management of family. But what is importance of role resource management of family? Resource management of by family, we can say कि teamwork essentially required for CPM method, because resource management of by family, or you can say if you are not teamwork, to not essentially efficient work for CPM method. And seventh one, production schedule management. So already discussed in before many type of method. Many type of method. Scheduling very important for management, but this point, production schedule management here, computer aided production management, because regulate this function, production schedule management. And second last one, shipping of products. If you are product in market launch by any type of transportation, any type of a company, any type of industry, so you can sell in market, but transportation is essentially required one place to other place. And last, billing. If finally product sell in market, we essentially data for selling product. For this point, billing, for this type of function, billing, so we can regulate by billing how many products sell in market by CAPM method. And second one topic, our unit 4th, computer aided process planning and control. So you can in acronyms and short form, computer aided PPC method. PPC method means production, planning and control. Production, planning and control is the organization and planning of the manufacturing process. So PPC method, because computer aided production management essentially requirement of this type of software. This type of systems only software production system, because we want to automation system our industry. So we can say production, planning and control is the organization, planning is manufacturing process. Because of the this type of management regulate how to sell in market and how to regulate this type of functions, regulate this type of product. And second one point, it coordinates supply and movement of material. So dear students, we please attention here. Next point, it coordinates supply and movement of material and labor, ensure economic and balanced utilization of machine and equipment as well as other activity related with the product to achieve the desired manufacturing results in terms of quantity, quality, time and place according to author. But we understood about that it coordinates supply and movement of material and labor, ensure economic. How to combination in for CAPPC method? If suppose that if you want to manufacturing in your industry, how to control and what is the raw material for that? It coordinate. We want to coordinate supply chain method or raw material continuously for that machining method, a machining process. So we want to coordinate all labors and high authorities and administration and regulatory and HR department. So balance utilization factor we want to achieve, because we want to minimum input and maximum output, so that we consider this type of point and correlate all bodies and all department and one time add of tables. The desired manufacturing results in terms of quantity, quality, time and place. So we want to decide for PPC method. So our industry's PPC method in different categories. So first, there are three stages in PPC. So we can say production planning and control. Following stages. First one, planning. Planning is method for PPC method. The choice from several alternative of the best utilizing the available resource to achieve the desired objective. Planning method we want to decide for PPC method, because PPC method we required for to industry, because how to control and how to regulate this type of automation production system. So first one we want to planning, because if you are not planning, how to control PPC method by PPC method in our industry. The first one, planning, the choice from several alternatives. So we want to many type of methods and many type of thoughts, but mostly we want to execute proper planning in particular method. So we decide first one, planning. If we want to any type of work, the first one we decide only planning for that. Second, if we are planning but we want to execute for that for the particular decided method, the second one, operation performance in accordance with the details set out in a production plan. So it means we can say how to execute for your planning and by organization and by any experts. Third one, control is the third one, control for PPC method. Yeah, you can say third type of PPC method. Yeah, you can say third stage of control the monitoring of performance through a feedback by comparing the results achieved with the planned targets. If we have decided in planning and second one execute by operation and third one control, so we want to decide for that particular operations, a particular PPC method. So we want to decide कि this type of operation planning and operation execute by control method. Control method we want to we want to move in PPC, and you can say in any automation in PPC method. The monitoring of performance, and we want to achieve efficiency of efficiency of any product. And third one topic, objective of PPC. Objective of PPC, production planning and control. So what is the objective of PPC? So what understood about that objective? So objective means for PPC कि we want to work for that particular method. So first one, to deliver goods in required quantities, customer in required deliver scheduled. So first one we decide for PPC for objective. If you are decide first one to deliver goods, it means we want to things deliver for you can say raw material, and you can say we want to manufacturing particular automation and for particular machining method. So we will want to deliver goods in required quantities to customers in required deliver schedule. And second one objective for production planning and control, to ensure maximum utilization of all resources. We want to decide the maximum output and maximum utilization and maximum efficiency for that, and for that you can say for particular machining operation. And third one to ensure production quality products. So we want to decided manufacturing system to ensure production quality products. And fourth one to maintain optimum level inventory. So we want to minimum cost for that particular operation and maintain our maximum output. If we output and we cost is maximum on that particular method, and how to reduce that is cost it means you can say. And fourth one to maintain flexibility in manufacturing operation. If you are decide flexibility system, we understood about that FMS system. You can say flexible in manufacturing system. FMS system it allows, we can say, and design and many type of operations to minimize and maximize this type of operations. And we want to productions minimize and design in drawing. This type of flexible FMS system allow to maintain our production system. And last one, coordinate between labor and machine and various supporting department. If you are maximum output, we want to maximum output, that is our particular, and you can say particular industry and a particular jobs, we want to maximum output to coordinate all subordinate bodies, all type of bodies, coordinate between labor and all departments in various type of departments. And now we will discuss on next topic, functions of production planning and controls. So you can say functions of PPC. First one, we require to first one materials. Yeah, you can say raw materials. If you are not raw materials, so how to casting, how to machining operation, and how to design our product. So you can say material procurement, storage, inventory. This type of sales in our industry. We first essentials required materials. Second one, methods. Method is this type of we want to, if you have a raw material, so we want to maintain your design and execute your design in machining method. So second type of this type of allows methods, process, operations and their sequence, because we are not sequence and proper method. So we are not manufacturing system. Yeah, you are not allow FMS system. And third one machines. If you are productions and this type of method allows CAPM method, computer aided process planning method. So we want to essential required machines. If you are you have in your industry machines, so you cannot not your be planning execute in your machining operation, and you cannot to define any type of production system. And fourth one, routing means you can say if this type of all functions you want to we want to execute this type of particular for method. So if as this type of a point required for routing flow of work, if you continuity in your productions, so you want to routing, if we want to routing, so that means you can say कि execute regularly your program and regularly your work. And fifth one estimating. This type of function denote operation time. If we are want to production in industry, so we have decided particular how many time this type of production in by estimating method. If suppose that we are not decided for operation time, so we cannot define कि how many products we are design a particular time, and we cannot decided कि how many products we are manufactured. Sixth one, scheduling method is denote and significant for timetable of production, priority and sequence. Suppose that we want to manufacturing any type of product and any type of part, so we decided scheduling this type of indicate you particular in this type of time how many products you are designed, how many products are machining process on execute, and you finally in this type of inspections and final pack. So we can say कि this type of and many types of product we are achieved. You can say your results you particular time you obtain. So this type of scheduling we have essential required for scheduling and for PPC method. And 7, if you product design machining by machining operation and final packing and final inspection, so you want to deliver and one place to another place by transporting, so we want to dispatching by administration department deliver to one place to another place, because demand this chain supply on demand. The dispatching method we essential required for PPC method. And 8th point, expediting means you can say quickly, and you can say expediting and flow up and keeping record of programs. So we want to, if you have decided your goals, so we want to achieve, so you can say expediting method for a PPC method. And last one, evaluating denotes assessing the performance effectiveness. Evaluating, if